Happy. Feeling joyful. Sad. Feeling upset or unhappy. Angry. Feeling mad or upset. Surprised. Feeling shocked or amazed. Scared. Feeling afraid or frightened. Excited. Feeling very happy and enthusiastic. Bored. Feeling uninterested and tired of the current activity. Confused. Feeling unsure or unable to understand. Proud. Feeling pleased with oneself or someone else. Embarrassed. Feeling self-conscious or awkward.